How to wash shoes. No matter what kind of lifestyle you lead, your shoes will inevitably get dirty. Luckily, a simple cleaning will often remove excess dirt and grime, leaving them looking brand new. How you clean them, however, depends on what they are made out of, what you have on hand, and how much time you have. This video will show you several different ways of cleaning your shoes and getting them looking squeaky clean again. Welcome to Best Choices. This video will tell you how to machine washing your sneakers, hand washing your sneakers, and caring for your dress shoes. Now let's get started. Things you'll need: washing machine, detergent, a toothbrush or stiff brush, pillowcase, safety pins, 1 or 2 old bath towels, paper towels or newspapers, Q-tips, cotton buds or toothpicks, baking soda. Method 1. Machine washing your sneakers. Number 1. Remove the laces and insoles. You will want to wash your shoes, laces, and insoles separately, as this will cut down on the drying time later. You can, however, wash your laces with your shoes in the washing machine, but doing so with your insoles will leave them waterlogged for days. Number 2. Clean your laces. If your laces are real scuzzy, you may want to buy new ones, but you can always try cleaning them by scrubbing them with a soapy brush or putting them in the washing machine with your shoes. Then allow them to air dry completely before putting them on your shoes again. Another way to clean your laces is to simply put or pin them inside a pillowcase, or tie their ends together, and throw them in the washer. This will keep them from getting stuck in the washer's drainage holes. If the laces are white and the shoes are colored, to get the laces as bright as possible, you could wash them separately in a normal wash along with other white laundry. Number 3. Clean and deodorize your insoles. Using a slightly soapy mixture of liquid detergent and warm water, gently scrub your insoles with a soft brush or rag. Afterward, soak up any excess soapy water with a sponge and allow them to air dry completely before placing them back in your shoes. If your insoles still smell, enclose them in a bag with baking soda, shake it around evenly, and leave them overnight. If your insoles still smell, soak them for a few hours in a 2:1 mixture of vinegar and water. Then soak them a while in a mixture of warm water, baking soda, and an essential oil, such as tea tree or pine oil. Number 4. Clean excess debris and stubborn marks from your shoes. To clean mud or dirt from the shoes, use a dry toothbrush or a soft brush, e.g. a shoe brush, to brush away any that appears on the surface. Clean off other marks, e.g. from plastic areas, using a brush with warm water, and/or cream cleaner on a cloth or paper towel. If a brush doesn't clean all the nooks and crannies, you may need to use a toothpick or cotton swab, Q-tip. Number 5. Put your shoes inside a pillowcase. Then pin the opening of the pillowcase half shut with about 3 safety pins, so water can still flow in and out. To wash your laces in the washing machine at the same time, tie the ends together and put them inside the pillowcase with your shoes. You can also substitute a mesh bag in place of a pillowcase. Number 6. Place the pillowcase inside the washing machine along with 1 or 2 towels. They will prevent the shoes from banging around inside during the cycle, which could damage the machine or your shoes. Make sure the towels are old, because new towels have lint and dye that might stain your sneakers. Sneakers and shoes made with rubber fabric can be cleaned in a washing machine. However, be sure to check the manufacturer's instructions first, as companies such as Nike recommend hand washing only. Number 7. Add liquid detergent. Powdered detergent can get stuck in your shoes, so use liquid detergent. You can also add some vinegar to remove odors and some pine oil to disinfect them. If you add pine oil, the product should be at least 80% pine oil. Number 8. Set and run the washing machine. Set your washing machine to the delicate setting, cold temperature, slow or no spin, and no tumble drying. Warm temperatures can warp your sneakers, and the fast spin or tumble dry setting can damage your shoes or washing machine. Number 9. Remove and air dry your shoes. Once the washing machine has stopped, remove your shoes from the pillowcase and set them aside to air dry. Putting them in the dryer is not advisable, as the dryer can warp the soles of your shoes. Stuffing your shoes with paper towels or newspapers will help them dry faster as well as maintain their shape. Place your shoes and laces and insoles in a moderately lit place to dry. Do not put them somewhere hot, e.g. near a radiator or in direct sunlight, as this may damage the shoes. It may take several hours or even a couple days for your shoes to dry completely, so plan ahead. If you're in a rush and need to use the dryer, wrap your shoes in a towel and set the dryer to delicate, checking periodically to make sure your shoes are not getting too warm. Number 10. Relace and wear those like new shoes. Once they are completely dry, replace the insoles, relace your shoes, and slip them on. They should look and smell much better now. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 2. Hand washing your sneakers. Number 1. Remove and clean the laces. Lace your shoes and, with a soapy brush, scrub them on a washboard or draining board. Then allow them to air dry completely before relacing them into your shoes. If your laces are real scuzzy, however, you may need to buy new ones. Number 2. Remove and clean the insoles. With a slightly soapy mixture of warm water and liquid detergent, gently scrub your insoles with a soft brush or rag. Afterward, soak up any excess soapy water with a sponge and allow them to air dry completely before placing them back in your shoes. Number 3. Remove excess dirt. With a soft bristle brush, such as a shoe brush or a toothbrush, scrub away the excess debris on the outside of your shoes. You may need to use a toothpick or a Q-tip to get in those hard-to-reach places. Number 4. Mix a cleaning solution. While there are many shoe cleaning solutions on the market, a simple mixture of warm water and a little liquid detergent will serve well to create a slightly soapy mixture in order to clean the outside of your shoes. Number 5. Scrub your shoes. Apply a little of the cleaning solution to a sponge or soft cloth or brush and scrub the outside of your shoes. This may require some effort and a few attempts, depending on the state of your shoes. For tougher stained areas, let the cleaning solution set for a few minutes, then scrub it away. Scrub down rubber parts of the shoe with a toothbrush. Number 6. Remove excess solution. Put some warm water on another sponge or soft cloth or brush, and brush away the remaining solution until it is no longer visible. Number 7. Air dry your shoes. Place your shoes and laces and insoles in a moderately lit place at room temperature to air dry. Do not put them somewhere hot, e.g. near a radiator or in direct sunlight, as this may damage the shoes. Putting your shoes in the dryer is not advisable, as the dryer can warp the soles of your shoes. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no. Method 3. Caring for your dress shoes. Number 1. Deodorize your dress shoes. Take baking soda, coffee grounds, or kitty litter product and sprinkle it directly inside your dress shoes. Allow the product to sit in your dress shoes whenever you're not wearing them to keep odors at bay. Simply shake out your dress shoes to remove the product. Another, neater method of odor removal is to put the product in a sachet and to place the sachet in your shoe. You can create your own sachet using a pair of pantyhose, put the product inside and tie or rubber band it closed. Number 2. Clean your leather dress shoes. If worn daily, leather should be cleaned 2-3 times a week by using a soft cloth and a slightly soapy mixture to clean off the noticeable dust and dirt. Afterwards, apply polish, preferably a natural polish, or wax and rub in with a soft cloth until the desired polish effect is reached. Number 3. Brush clean your suede dress shoes. If worn daily, suede should be cleaned 2-3 times a week by using a suede brush to brush away dirt and stains. You should spray suede protector on new suede shoes and after every time you clean them, as this will make them more resilient to stains and will make it easier to clean in the future. Never put suede or leather shoes in the washing machine. Warnings. 1. If the shoes are expensive or delicate, it may be best to hand wash them or take them to a professional cleaner. 2. Because of the risk of damaging shoes in a washing machine, it may be best to wash them no more than once a year, or if they get very dirty. 3. Check the manufacturer's instructions before attempting to clean your shoes, as some shoes require special treatment. 4. Waterproofing shoes. You can easily waterproof your shoes to help resist from mud, erosion, and dirt. By dripping and polishing candle wax. I would recommend white or clear wax to avoid discoloring the shoe and then polishing all around. Be careful not to use waxes that have artificial smells, colors, or any additives to keep from ruining your shoes. 5. Be careful if you use the dryer to dry your shoes, as excessive heat may warp your shoes' soles. Did this video help you? Let's comment below, yes or no.